of the Atlas Mountains, away from the terror of loneliness. This young Rif is a member of that fearless mountain tribe who till very recently defied Christian invasion in Morocco. In the city of delight on earth, the water boy with his goatskin fountain and his tinkling bell. A marabou stork posing on a pole. Mules laden with hides from which that marvelously soft, sweet-smelling leather is made. The beggar with his plea for alms in the name of Allah. The seller of filigree lanterns. The mysterious hooded figures all seem like a dream of Arabian Nights. Who visits Morocco finds himself in a world apart, where nothing is too fantastic to be true, and where truth is stranger than even the fiction of the storyteller. There is extreme poverty in Morocco, but the Moor is a philosopher. He smiles even when his stomach is empty and his body covered with rags. He has a proverb: manage with bread and butter, it says, until God sends the jam. Down in the souka, or marketplace, chaos and good-natured confusion. Here are the rent-free shops of the butcher, the baker, and, of course, Omar, the tent maker. The ever-popular snake charmer never fails to get a good audience, and, with his band of musicians, receives rapt attention. In America, one buys a bottle of bootleg liquor and becomes his own snake charmer. The singer of strange songs, the flute players, the tom-toms which flare up like torches, then fade away, leaving us forever unsatisfied, the rhythm in our very veins. Evidently the Moroccan version of I'm Making Faces. The chloos, those weird little dancing boys like figures in a frieze.